Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Vinegar cannot fully remove hair dye. It can often cause fading effects on dyed hair, but it cannot fully remove semi-permanent or permanent hair color. While vinegar can sometimes clarify one's natural hair color, it cannot completely remove dye from the hair.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Vinegar can make a great hair rinse, bringing out the natural shine. It does not strip permanent hair coloring but can change the shade, so it is best avoided by people who dye their hair. There are other options available for those who have just undergone hair coloring and are not pleased with the results.
Take our lead.
If you're looking for a solution for how to remove buildup from color-treated hair, but don't want to strip your hair of its color over time, you've found it in ACV. Apple cider vinegar, while being acidic, is only slightly so, just enough to balance the pH of your hair and scalp, not strip it.
Take our lead.
Baking soda is a natural cleaning agent. You may have even used it to remove stains before. It will help lighten and remove the dye without bleaching your hair. Combining this cleansing power with dandruff shampoo, which has an active ingredient that fades hair color, makes for a powerful dye-removing mixture.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.